Next is question number 8, exercise 6.5. The diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Now in this question, it is given that the diagonals of the rhombus be 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. And we have to find the perimeter of the rhombus. Since we know that perimeter of rhombus is equal to perimeter of rhombus equal to 4 multiplied by side, because all sides of rhombus are of equal measure. Also we know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. So first of all, mark this rhombus as A, B, C and D, such that AC and BD be the two diagonals of rhombus ABCD. And we know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. That is OB equal to OD and OC is equal to OA. Since BD is equal to 16 centimeter and AC equal to 30 centimeter. Therefore, OB equal to OD and it will be half of BD. Therefore, OB equal to OD and this is half of BD, which is equal to half multiplied by 16 and this is equal to 8 centimeter. And OC and OA are same and it will be equal to half of AC. OC equal to OA and this is equal to half of AC, which is equal to half multiplied by 30, which is equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, from the figure, it is clear that OD equal to 8 centimeter and OC equal to 15 centimeter. Also, we know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Therefore, triangle COD be a right angle triangle which is right angle at O. Therefore, side opposite to right angle be CD. Therefore, CD be the hypotenuse of right angle triangle COD and OD and OC be the legs of the right angle triangle COD. Therefore, by using Pythagoras property, we can calculate the length CD. Therefore, by Pythagoras property, x square is equal to p square plus b square, where h be CD. So, x square becomes CD square and p equal to OD. So it becomes OD square and B is equal to OC. So it becomes OC square. And the length of OD and OC be 8 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. So putting the value of OD and OC here, we get CD square is equal to 8 square plus 15 square. Now 8 square is equal to 64 and 15 square is equal to 225. So CD square becomes 64 plus 225, which is equal to 289. And 289 can be written as 17 multiplied 17, which can be further written as 17 square. Therefore, we get CD is equal to 17 centimeter. Means side of rhombus is equal to 17 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of rhombus is equal to perimeter of rhombus equal to 4 multiplied by side and side is equal to 17 centimeter. So it becomes 4 multiply 17 and 4 multiply 17 is equal to 68 centimeter. Hence, perimeter of rhombus is equal to 68 centimeters, which is required answer.